Guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm teaching how to draw the eyebrows as a beginner. So as a beginner, the first thing you have to do when drawing your brows is to groom your eyebrows. If your shape isn't groomed, you are most likely not going to be able to fill them in properly. So the first thing you have to do when drawing your brows is to make sure to start off by brushing your eyebrow into a neat shape using your eyebrow brush. Draw out outline in the exact shape of your natural brow and define the inner and outer ends. Use thin feathery strokes for the most natural look. After drawing your brows line, use the brush on the end of your indelible eyebrow pencil, or if you have other brush that you use in grooming your eyebrows, use that. And then create the effect of small hairline strokes. This will give you realistic and natural looking appearance. Make sure that you don't apply too much energy or force when drawing your brows. And most times when drawing your brows as a beginner, you should go in for shades that is lighter than your natural black brows. So the next thing you have to do is to conceal your eyebrow to bring out the shape well. So you have to dip your brush or your curved brush or anything that you'll be able to use to define the lines well into the concealer, and then use it to lighten or highlight the shape of your brows. You make sure that you go in for concealer that is a bit lighter than your skin shade. So conceal using small strokes to remove all excesses. And then once that is done, blend out the concealer using blending foam or brush. So if you're not sure if your brows are in line or they are equal, you want to make sure that you create a line or a guideline for yourself, just as I'm doing. Extend the concealer on the nose. I don't know if that pleases the nose. Yeah, extend it so that you make sure that the beginning of the brows are in line with each other. You don't want to create unidentical brows here. We want to create identical brows. So once the inner one is done, go for the outer part and then do the same thing. Conceal the brows and have a defined shape using the same concealer like I'm doing. So continue cleaning out the excesses of the concealer using your brush. If you can achieve this one using the same brush, you go ahead and use it. If you have excess that needs to be cleaned out, use your blending foam or any brush that you can use to clean out the excess. So once drawing, you might make a mistake, but don't worry, practice makes man perfect. So continue practicing and you'll be a master of it. So when you make a mistake, don't worry, you can correct it using the same product that you are using. So if by chance you clean out your brows using your concealer, don't worry, you can go ahead and use the pencil that you used to draw your brows and then go ahead and draw your strokes. Make sure that you don't use darker shade when drawing your brows. I repeat, don't use darker shade when drawing your brows because they appear too harsh when you use them to fill your eyebrows. Instead, go for something that's a shade lighter than your natural black hair so that you don't create something horrible. The brows really speak when you draw, and then when you do makeup. It's one thing that is very important in makeup artistry. So you don't want to mess your face just because you use a darker shade to draw your eyebrows. So you can still go ahead and draw strokes, lighter strokes create that natural feel of your eyebrows, just as I'm doing. Follow everything. If you don't understand anything, ask in the comment section, or I'll leave my handles to my social media, and then you can DM me there. Yeah, so once that is done, go ahead and blend out. Don't leave out any harsh lines. Don't leave out any excess product on your face, because it wouldn't look nice when you finish your makeup and you have excess concealer powder on your face. So blend out. Blend. I'm using brush, but you can also use your blending foam if you have one. To blend out, and be careful that whilst blending you don't clean your brows, because it's very possible if you don't take care, by the time you finish blending, the brows will be gone too, and you have to start all over again. So take your time, blend out. As you can see, I don't have harsh lines on my face. I don't have harsh products on my face because I didn't go in for concealer that is way too lighter than my skin. It is just a shade lighter than your skin. So choose concealers that is a shade lighter than your skin. Not too light, not too dark. That is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.